thunderstorm that's trying to hit us. And that's a storm right there. Oh no, we're getting stuck in this bad storm. This is gonna be sketch. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's hail. What's up everyone? This week we're gonna take the EF on a little mountain run. I figured it's been a while since we've taken this car out, so it'll be a fun little quick video. We're also gonna be racing like a thunderstorm that's trying to hit us right now, so hopefully we don't get caught up in that because this is not really a rain car at all, but we'll have to see how this goes. And just a quick overview of the car for any new subscribers. It's a JDM B16 out of a EG6. I got a Type R intake manifold, 1320 headers. It's a Type R trans. Just a simple setup. I got DC2 rear disc conversion. Got my bull boost steering wheel in there. Got the K-tune shifter. Nothing too fancy, but it's a simple build. The car never breaks, and I beat on it all the time. Whenever I take this car out, I just beat the crap out of it, and it just keeps taking it. Also, I'm gonna go over my intake and exhaust really quick because I get asked all the time about it. This is literally just like tube I put together and just made it go down here. I cut this hole out a little bit so I could fit the tube through there, and then I have my cone right in there with this duct that I made. I just cut out like a factory marker light, and it's all sealed off in the wheel well. I have a couple videos. I actually have a video comparing this cold air intake to the stock air intake, and I have an overview video of the entire car. And my exhaust is a 1320 header to a skunk 2 or to a test pipe, skunk 2 resonator, and then back here got a custom straight pipe that my boy Aaron welded up for me back in New York. Very simple. Just got that Kanjo look to it, Kanjo style. So yeah, anyways, we'll get right to the mountains. ahead of the storm finally, but I'm gonna just take some cinematics quick and then get back to the house as soon as I can so I can just get out of this. That was a very stressful, exciting, scary drive, so yeah, but it was gonna be a nice day for pictures because I just washed the car, and that was like the whole point. I was gonna wash the car, take some nice pictures of it and stuff, but now look at this thing. Filthy. But whatever, it's not a show car anyway. Alright, we made it home safe. That was sketchy. But anyways, if you liked the video, please leave a like. Consider subscribing if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects and all the nonsense I do. And follow my Instagram, Kanjo_brothers, if you want to see more on there, more content, sneak peeks, and all that. And as always, thank you guys for watching.